Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at a very specific but essential component for owners of the DJI Mavic 3 Pro drone who might be facing repair needs. What we have here is an empty gimbal unit designed specifically as a replacement part for the Mavic 3 Pro. This isn't a complete camera and gimbal assembly, but rather the gimbal mechanism itself, without the camera sensor attached. It's described as an original accessory, which is often a critical factor when dealing with complex drone components like gimbals. The primary purpose of this part is to replace a damaged original gimbal on a Mavic 3 Pro. Drones, unfortunately, can sometimes encounter mishaps, and the gimbal is a vulnerable part. Having access to original replacement parts like this empty gimbal is crucial for getting a damaged drone back into flying condition without needing to replace the entire unit. The information provided indicates that a damaged original gimbal can be directly replaced with this unit. One of the key points highlighted is the ease of installation. For anyone undertaking a drone repair, whether a professional technician or a skilled hobbyist, easy installation is a significant advantage. Complex repairs can be daunting, so a part designed for straightforward replacement helps streamline the process. Coupled with this is the mention of fine craftsmanship. This suggests attention to detail in the manufacturing process, which is vital for a component that requires precise movement and stability, as a gimbal does. Furthermore, the part is described as high quality, intended for professional use. This implies it meets the standards required for reliable operation in a professional drone environment. Durability and a long lifetime are also listed as features, suggesting the material and construction are robust enough to withstand the stresses of flight and handling over time. For a repair part, longevity is just as important as initial functionality. It's important to note the condition and a critical requirement. The part is stated to be original and 95% new, but working well. This indicates it's not a brand new and used part straight off the assembly line, but likely a tested functional component. The most crucial piece of information for anyone considering this part is that calibration is required after installation. A gimbal needs to be perfectly calibrated to ensure stable footage and proper functioning with the drone's flight controller. This isn't a plug-and-play solution. Post-installation calibration is a necessary step to ensure the gimbal operates correctly. This requirement underscores that this is a repair part intended for those with the technical capability or access to services that can perform the necessary calibration. In summary, this empty gimbal for the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is presented as a high-quality, durable, original replacement part featuring fine craftsmanship and ease of installation. It's designed for professional use and offers a path to repair a damaged drone gimbal, provided the user is prepared for the essential calibration process required after fitting the part. It serves a vital role in the ecosystem of drone maintenance and repair, offering a way to extend the life of a valuable piece of equipment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.